Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon, good noon, good midnight whenever you're watching me. So yeah, and now, are you all drinking your water? Because you should. You should drink gallons of water because you should. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Tiasha. If you're watching for the first time, I'm Tiasha, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please do. And I wanted to start this video by saying thanks to all the people who are subscribing to me and who are subscribing me, because it means a lot to me, guys. It means a lot to me. You have no idea how much it means to me. I am such an emotional person, and when I see people are actually subscribing me and subscribing to my channel, and I am such a ball of happiness when I see that people are subscribing, and it makes me happy. And the other day I posted a video and I saw that people are subscribing, and I woke up to 30 subscribers and I was so happy. I had like khushi ka aasu in my eyes. So you can imagine how emotional I am as a person. That as you all know by the title, that today's video is going to be all about me trying to make the 2 ingredients pancake. But honestly, I never knew that this was a thing. Like there can be 2 ingredients, like you can make 2 pancakes with 2 ingredients. Because honestly, I have not made the classic traditional pancakes ever. Like I have never made them. So and I did not even know that you can make 2 ingredients pancakes. So I was watching some random YouTube videos some other day, and I watched that, and then I was shocked. I watched and then I saw that there were a lot of videos. Okay, like there are a lot of people who have made it, and I will make sure to leave a link to one of those videos because they are professional. Like yeah, they are professional, but I'm not a cook, so yeah, I'm nervous because I don't know how it's gonna be. But let's just see what happens, because I have no idea how it's going to be. I think I'm talking a lot, so let me take you all to my kitchen and see how I make it. Okay. Hi guys, so we are in my kitchen now, and forgive me for the lighting, because I just realized that the lighting in our kitchen is not that good, but it's okay. We're gonna work with this only. And yeah, now I'm going to show you the ingredients first, and then we will work this. So guys, forgive me, I am here using my phone's flashlight so that you can see things properly. And the 2 ingredients we will be needing is banana and egg. I will be using 2.5 bananas and 1 egg, and then I will put it in a mixer and make a paste out of it. So yeah, I don't want to be bad with all these names of things. So yeah, one okay. I think this is not like that. Guys, I have added the ingredients here, and now I'm going to mix it. And I don't want to cut my hand or do anything like I don't want to be a khatro ke khiladi, so I'll do it and then I will come back to you. Okay, because it is a risky process, as you know. Okay, so tada. So guys, it seems like I'm already failing, because the consistency should have been a little more runny, which is clearly not. It's quite thick. So I decided to add the rest of the banana and another egg, and then I'll blend it, and then I'll talk to you. Okay. So guys, that worked, and this is how the consistency should be like. I have transferred it into a fancy bowl because I am making a video which I'm gonna post YouTube mein. So yeah, it looks nice. So guys, I'm not considering butter or oil as an ingredient because many people don't like to use it. but I will use it, like I will use butter because I thought that would be better, like oil से ज़्यादा ही अच्छा होगा. So I am going to be using Amul butter. Yeah, let's get started with the making. I'm very nervous. I don't know why, but I just hope that it turns out to be good, because if it does, then my life will be saved. Okay, so yeah. So as you can see, I have already heated up the pan. Obviously you can't see that I have heated up the pan, but I can feel it. And now I am gonna add some butter. Guys, it's so hard to do it with one hand, but we're gonna, okay, that's a lot of butter, but we're gonna do it. Okay, we're gonna do something about it. And I don't know why I'm using a fork instead of a chamchi. Now you know that my pan is literally heated up. I'm very bad with all these things, guys, forgive me for that. And now I'm going to add the 1 spoon of this into the pan. I'm very nervous, guys, just wish me best of luck. So I've added, and voila. I don't know how it's gonna be. Fingers crossed. I just hope it turns out to be good, because I'm really putting my heart and soul into this, because I love banana and eggs. They are my favorite things to eat, and I can survive eating only these two things. So you know how much I love them. Okay. It's getting bubbly, guys. ऊपर से it's getting bubbly, like it's getting all those bubbles. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I don't want to burn my pancake, so this. Okay, I shouldn't do this now, but I'm really excited for that flip, because I feel that is very nice. I don't know how to, I'm so bad with explaining things. I'm realizing that I'm really bad with explaining things, guys. Forgive me for that. It's not done yet. So guys, now I'm going to flip it. I feel that it has burnt a little from the other side, but it has burnt a little, but yeah, it doesn't matter to me, because I love eating burnt foods for a reason. Like I love eating burnt rotis and all that. I don't know. I should let it cook like this. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm so nervous, but suddenly I was like, maybe this will turn out to be good, but now I'm feeling as if it won't. Maybe it's a failure, guys. I'm really hoping that it tastes good, because I don't know. So guys, something horrible happened and I broke my pancake. It's all broken, as you can see, but it looks nice, and I'm going to taste it now. And I don't know how it's gonna be. It's very hot. And taste it. Guys, as you all saw, my pancake broke, guys, and I'm so sad about it. But now I'm going to taste it. If it tastes better, then tastes good, then it's nice. Yeah, situation. But if it tastes bad, then I don't know. Then I have no idea what I'm going to do. But does it taste good? Yeah. It seriously tastes good. It tastes very healthy. You know what I mean? Healthy good. It tastes healthy. Guys, I think it was a fail because like when you were eating it for the when you were taking the first bite, you will like it, but as you start eating it, you will not like it. I don't like the texture, I don't like the taste. As you guys saw that it was definitely not a win-win situation. I really thought it would be nice because it had banana and eggs in it, and both of them are my favorite. Like I can literally survive on those, but it doesn't taste good at all. Like the pancake, it doesn't taste good. Like it tastes like I don't even know how to explain it. The texture is so bad, and like it was nothing like they showed it on camera, like on the video. It was something I don't wanna eat ever in my life. It was really bad, and I don't know, but I really thought it would be nice and it would save my life. But it was so bad, guys. I don't like it. I did not like it, and yeah, it was a fail situation. So if you wanna make it, then make it. Like if you wanna take the risk, then do. But and if you like it, then also let me know, because I have not I did not like it. I have not liked it. It was so bad. But yeah, if you do, like I'm not saying that no one will like it. Obviously, everyone has a different taste, like taste buds, so maybe you will like it. I did not like it. It can happen. So yeah, if you try it, then please let me know. But I did not like it. I will say it thousands of times, because I seriously did not like it. So, and if you did, then let me know in the comment section below, and also tell me how was like my video, like if you liked it or not. Did I say? And yeah, so this is all about today's video, guys. And yeah, leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. I don't know what you're going to comment, but yeah, it was me trying to make something different, and I failed miserably because I did not like it. And if you do, then obviously you will comment down below. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah,